Hello, good morning. So, tomorrow is a special day, no? What is speculative tomorrow? Yes, India's 74th Independence Day, right? Yes. So, related with this, we are stepping into the next book, that is Political Science second lesson. This lesson is going through the area of health. You might have heard hospitals, health, right? Yes, health. What is health? Or how can we say that a person is healthy? Should be free from illness, free from all type of physical disabilities. So, such a condition can be simply called as health. When we are free from diseases or when we are fit, physically fit and mentally also fit, such a condition can be defined as what? Health. When a person is mentally and physically healthy, such a condition can be defined as what? Health. So, what is the condition of health in our country? As a democratic country, what is the role of the government in providing adequate health facilities to the people, to the public? As in a democratic country, government will be aiming at the welfare of the people, right? Yes, welfare of the people or well-being of the people means they should be physically and mentally healthy. What are the policies government can take? And what is the present condition of health care in India? What is the role of government hospitals? What is the role of private hospitals? What difference we could see in these two areas? Whether the people are getting adequate health facilities? Is there any problem in the health sector of our country? Like that. Nowadays, we, not in India, not in Kerala, all the world is under the clutches of a pandemic. You might have heard of it. What is the name of that disease? Yes, coronavirus is clutching the whole entire world. In this regard, this lesson is more important, significant area, right? What is the democracy? What is democracy? Democracy is the rule of the people, by the people and for the people. Rule of the people, by the people and for the people. So there arises the importance or the influence of government in health facility in the largest democratic country named India. What are the factors affecting the health condition of the public, of the people? Okay, let's check. There are 5 factors affecting or influence the health condition of a country. Which are they? Number 1, food. Food habit can influence or can have an impact on the health condition or health status of a country. Next one, it is water. Next factor, it is environment, about the surroundings. Next factor is education, whether the people are ignorant or well educated. Last factor is economic condition, whether the people are coming from the poor economic background or high economic or well-to-do economic condition. Let's go through that area first. The first factor that is influencing the health of a public, health of a community or society is their food habit. You know that majority of diseases are coming through our food habits. We are always turning our attention to get what? To eat junk food or that ready-made food. Yes, junk food. Homemade food is out of fashion and it is it's out of passion also. So food habit is a relevant factor in bringing health condition in a better way. In the case of poor people, they are facing the problem of malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Yes, inadequacy of food. Nutritious food is their dream only. They can't get it. They have nothing to eat. Their stomach will be found what? In an empty condition. This is so food is influencing, or food is a factor that decides the health condition of the society. Next one, it is water. If you are getting pure water, if you are drinking a lot of pure water, almost majority of diseases can be checked, can be prevented to a great extent, I think. Right? Yes. So availability of water is another important factor that determines the health condition, that decides the health condition of a country. Next factor is environment. For example, you might have you can remember or recollect the bitter experience of Kanta Devi in the last chapter of this book. Kanta Devi, as a domestic worker, she was coming from a slum area. What's the meaning of slum area? A slum area means a lot of huts with a pathetic condition, not at all clean. In an untidy condition, we could see a line of houses. They are using public tap or public toilet like that. What is the possibility of health there? A pathetic condition, a critical condition of health we can see there. Yes. In that surrounding, in the slum area, what will be happening now? Yes, in the slum area, the people will have no opportunity to get adequate health facilities. And next factor is education. When the people are aware of bringing a healthy mind and healthy physique, then they could check or they could accept certain preventive measures to fight against the diseases. But when the people are not at all aware, not at all bothered about this health condition, it will also damage health facility or health condition of a society. Next, last factor is economic factor. Even though people are aware, if they have no money in their pocket, what will be happening? Yes, they have nothing to spend. The doctors will not be ready to give them adequate treatment or diagnosis. So, even our pocket is full, we will get adequate facility. That such a condition is existing in a democratic country like India at present. Okay, so these are the factors that affecting health condition. Tell me once again. Number one, food habits. Number one, availability of clean water or pure water. Next one, environment or surrounding, whether it is clean and tidy. And next one, it is education, whether the people are ignorant or aware of the health status. And another one is economic condition or the availability of money in the pocket. These are the factors that affect the health condition of a nation. Okay, now let's check the condition of India in this regard. What is the status of India? First point, it is medicine. India is called or known to be the largest producer of medicine. Largest producer of medicine in the world. And we are having a number of doctors, well educated, well trained, expert, skilled faculties are available in our country. And what about the medical tourist? Medical tourism is from abroad, from the foreign countries. Many are coming to India for treatment. You might have heard of Ayurveda. Yes, for Ayurveda treatment and for naturopathy also many foreigners are coming to our country for their treatment. And what about the next condition? Hospitals. India is blessed with a number of hospitals are there. A lot of hospitals. I think it around 2000. Around 20,000 hospitals are there in India. But how much we are utilizing it? What is the impact or what is the result of all these facilities? Which are the facilities? Medicine facilities, doctors are there, medical tourists are coming to our country, then many hospitals are there. Yet, what is happening? Even though we are the producer, we are the largest producer of a number of medicines in India, almost 5 lakh people, just remember that. Yes, almost 5 lakh people are dying due to tuberculosis. You might have heard of this TB. Yes, cough problem. Yes, TB. So, this is the condition. This is a survey. Almost 5 people are being dead in our country. Yes. Next one, we are blessed with a number of well-experienced, well-skilled and new gen doctors are there. But 50% of our total children, they are facing inadequate health facilities. A number of children are being dead due to the lack of medical facilities. Maybe because of these factors: food, water, then environment, then education or economic condition. Anyway, who is answerable? Government is answerable. Next one, there are medical tourists are coming. But even now, there are a number of people are being in the clutch of waterborne diseases, especially communicable diseases. Some diseases you may know, there is a possibility of the diseases may spread from one person to another person, and it will spread as a communicable disease, just like that of this corona disease. It's a communicable disease, right? Diseases can be spread through water, through air or through physical contact like that. Anyway, that is the condition status of our country. Then a lot of hospitals are there, but many hospitals are being found in urban area only, town area, city area. What about the rural people? What about the village area? They are not facilitated with adequate medical facilities. This is the status of India. Next one, we are, so let me think all this area is clear for you. Which are the factors? What are the facts that is available in India? There are a number of medicine. Lot of medicines are available, but many people are dying. And doctors are there, yet 50% of children are caught with a number of diseases, and majority of them are dying due to hunger and due to many diseases. And next one, medical tourists are coming. We are getting a lot of income, earnings are there. But what is the condition? There are a lot of communicable diseases cases are being reported. Another one is hospitals. Even though India is blessed, we are blessed with a number of hospitals, and it is increasing day by day. The number of hospitals in the private sector as well as in the public sector is increasing. But how much it is available to the rural people, they can't reach. They can't go to that strata of the society. Means many are concentrated in urban areas. And these are the factors, that is water, environment, education, availability of food and economic condition. These are the factors that affect our health condition. So let me think all this area is clear for you. So in case of any doubts, I will be clearing for you. A great salute to you all and advance Independence Day wishes. Thank you. Peace out.